Hi, my name is Yannik Simler and I'm part of the sales team at Syntegon. Today I'd like to introduce you to one of our newest innovations, the AHS, which stands for Amplified Heat Sealing. This technology enhances cross-sealing performance in high-speed flow wrapping application. The AHS combines a rotary motion with a horizontal stroke in product flow direction. This added movement provides two key advantages for the sealing process, either a significant increase in output or a wider sealing window. As a result, you benefit from fewer packaging machines per line, faster buffer clearance and higher sealing quality. And last but not least, these features enhances the possibility to also run sustainable packaging material, such as monofilm and paper. If we have sparked your interest, please visit us at www.syntegon.com or contact one of our salespersons directly. We are happy to support you.